Hello everyone, welcome to Clapvo. In this video, I will show you how to create your Clapvo account and set up your first organization. Clapvo is WhatsApp workspace for teams where you can manage customer chats, contact, campaigns, templates and team member from one shared dashboard. So let's start step by step. First, open the Clapvo website. Once you open the website, you will see the Clapvo homepage. Here, Clapvo explains how teams can use WhatsApp for supports, sales, campaigns in workspace. Now, to create the account, click on Get Started Free button. After clicking on Getting Started Free, you will see the Sign Up for your account screen. Here, Clapvo asks for your basic details to create new account. First, enter your first name. For this demo, I will enter Arav, last name Mehta. Okay. Here I will enter my email. You need to enter your email for this demo. I will keep it as India. Then enter the mobile number. Next, create your password. Please note that the password must at least 8 character including an uppercase, lowercase, number and special character. Before signing up, you can see that by creating an account, you agree to Clapvo terms and privacy policy. Once all details filled correctly, click on Sign Up button. Now, Clapvo will create your account and take you to the next step. After submitting the sign up form, Clapvo may ask you to verify your email address. So open your email box and check for verification email from Clapvo. If you don't see it on inbox, also check your spam or promotional folder. Open the email and click on the verification link. Once your email is verified, come back to the Clapvo and continue the setup process. Now, Clapvo will ask you to create your first organization. An organization in your company, you can manage your WhatsApp communication, team members, contacts, campaigns, and other business activities. Here, first enter your organization name. For this demo, I will be enter Bright Wave Solution. Okay, and it will auto check the URL slug. If you want to change the URL slug, you can create your own as well. Make sure the URL slug is between 2 to 40 characters and only use the letters and number. Now, if you want to change the language in Clapvo, select the language. Here I will keep it as a English. This language will be used for all pre-built and auto-generated content inside the organization. Once all details are filled, click on Create Organization. Now, Clapvo will create your organization and take you to the next setup step. Great. Now, your organization has been created successfully. You can now inside the Clapvo dashboard. From here, you can start setting up your WhatsApp workspace. You can now connect your WhatsApp number, manage contacts, create template, invite your team members, and later run the campaign from same place. So this was the first step to start using Clapvo. In this video, we learn how to sign up, verify account, and create our first organization. In the next video, we will continue with the next setup step inside the Clapvo. Thank you for watching.